Hello, here is the new tall tower fan which I just received a couple of days back, and this is very plug and play as usual, like when any other tower fan, very simple to operate. It comes with a very handy small remote to operate, and it is very powerful as well. So you can see, like, you can set the power, that's what you can see on the temperature as well. You can control. You can, right now it is showing it is 76 at home, and then you can increase, even like for example the fan speed, you're able to hear the sound. So it is also got like night mode as well, so which you can see, like, okay, it has got the night mode, and then you can also set a timer. For example, like here you can tell how much timer you want, like 1 hour, 2 hour, so automatically, and it works very well, especially when you want to switch it off in the night, and automatically you want to turn it off when you fall asleep. And as usual, this is a very basic requirement, like swing. You can see that now tower fan is swinging as well. Overall, it's a very nice tower fan, so I can say that, okay, and it's giving very pleasant breeze throughout the room. Yeah, and it's worth really to have it in your room. Right now I'm having in my office room, and really it is a very good addition during this summer. Thank you.
Change. Thank you. That's gonna mute the sound. That's for the fun. It's a fresh air, a really fresh air. Unmute the sound, and then you can see the fan has 5 steps, and then it has another R2 position that's it's going to be off and down. The fan from here is going to off and down, and that one is going to curve. That one is going to curve the fan from one side to another. See? Thank you.
I just got this in, and I've been testing all the modes and everything, and it's super quiet, as you can tell right now. You can barely even hear it. I'm very pleased up to this point. I love the remote control. I love that it has the temperature on top. You can see that right at top there. You can turn the beep on and off. That if I press the button and then it's silent, and you don't hear it now. You don't hear the beeping. It's got a great sleep mode, so you hear how quiet it is. I think it goes either 3 or 4 different fan levels while you're sleeping. It changes every 30 minutes, and I think this might be the quietest, the slowest level right here. But all in all, it's really good. I'm very pleased at this point.